Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmeline bringing to the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Boundary Regional Committee Summit Report to Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. Mausanram Congress leaders desert their party to join deserted Congress MLA All India Trinamool Congress. Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Vocational Tirshi Training Centre opened today, and Meghalaya Basketball Association to hold the Northeast Zonal Basketball Championship for the first time. And now the news in detail. The Boundary Regional Committee of Meghalaya today submitted their reports to the Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong submitted the report on behalf of the Ribhoi Regional Committee, and Meghalaya Minister Renekton Lingdo Tongkhar submitted the report on behalf of the West Khasi Hills Regional Committee. Speaking to the media, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said he is not in a position to tell about the reports as he has just received them today. He, however, said that the reports of the two committees will be discussed at the Chief Minister's level of the two neighbouring states of Assam and Meghalaya.
Two of the committees have submitted their reports. One is from West Khasi Hills and one is from Ribhoi district. And the committees have just submitted it about an hour back. So obviously I have not been able to go through it. So once the committees, once we go through the entire report, which we will do very, very quickly because we want to call the stakeholders after this, and then we also want to have the meeting with our Assam counterparts after that. So we will be we will be going through these reports very quickly. I must take this opportunity to, of course, thank the entire committee and all the members and the chairperson of the committees who have really worked very, very hard. These are all interior locations, but they have travelled, and I think never in the history of the state has such kind of an exercise been conducted. So it's a very, very great and laudable work that they have done. And as I said, a lot of hard work has gone in, and we will definitely do justice to it by going through it in detail, and then, as I said, further discussing with other stakeholders and taking their opinions within the state, and then further at the earliest meet the Assam counterparts and try to take this forward to a logical conclusion.
All the Congress leaders of Mausanram Assembly constituency who announced that they have left the Congress party were welcomed with open arms by the deserted Congress MLA H.M. Shangpliang, who joined the All India Trinamool Congress recently. The deserted Congress leaders announced this at a meeting presided by Shangpliang held in Mausanram in East Khasi Hills district.
Kata kalong ke jigi tenap ya kani ke parti. Anda ginujor ki parti kiwe langit ong ke Kongres ne langit ong kiwe ki parti National Party. Banle ya kano ka kamru kamut ngihap ban kenjo shwa syaka high command ki ong kamut sa Delhi. Pe po ke parti Kongres. Lasim por palat arsnem tangkan thum yo parti presiden po state jungi. Namar balay kadaw galong baki kot kisla ki sithi jungi bar khoi kisakut Delhi. Ka Sonia Gandhi ro kamla kan Simrai, Rahul Gandhi ro Simya kan kaya kano no karai, ka Sulangai ka kam. Te kata kawan ra ka jing pentut ha ka jing penyat ya ki rukom apo ka state jungi. Dei namar kata kadaw babunsin hakapor bangidang don hakaparti Kongres kawanra ka jingleng ka jingpisa hapren jongi ki MLA Kongres adu ngimpan se bangi baro ki MLA Kongres ngida tho ta ka sithi sya ka Sonia Gandhi bakan de bakan thum no ya presiden te hakane ka parti menta ka bangidon kamamda banerji kala ai ya kata ka bor hangi bato yele mopi ya kano ka kam ka bapis ngode banle hapo ka jela jonghi andai da kan mau tang kawe bapin ya da ka akor bapin don ka disiplin tetong kata kata ka jimut kalong bangi ngin sensyar katkum kamon subha jungi bat karkum bat hakar riti ka dustur jungi kata kalong ka bangi sub
Honorable Minister to the Government of Meghalaya in charge of Law, Health and Family Welfare, James K. Sangma, inaugurated the new building of District Council Court of Giant Hills Autonomous District Council on Tuesday, the 7th December 2021. Inaugurating the District Council Court, the Minister said the inauguration of the building will help to strengthen the District Council Court to expeditious cases at the earliest. He added that under the 6th schedule, the District Council Court has its own constitutional rights as mentioned in the Constitution under Article 244, and today's inauguration will give a sense of public duty to move ahead to strengthen the dispensation of rights and justice. Speaking on the occasion, CM Shri Thambor Shiwat said under the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India, the District Council has 3 organs that consist of the District Council Court, Additional District Council Court and Subordinate District Council Court that also consists of the Village Court, and justice have been dispensed in line with the traditional customary law. He expressed his sincere appreciation to the Government of India for the financial assistance under the 13th Finance Commission for the construction of the District Council Court in Jowai and the Village Court of 19 Elakas.
That today we have the inauguration of the GHADC court building. I would like to thank the Honorable CPM Thambor Shiwat for the kind of leadership that he has offered. I know very well that he has been instrumental in pushing this court building, and it is really something that we all must appreciate for the kind of initiative that he has taken to make sure that this court building is inaugurated. At the same time, I would also like to thank the EM in charge of CWD, Mahfazmona Khan. Every one of you present here. I would like to first start off by apologizing today for arriving late here. I usually don't like the practice of coming late for any program, but due to many circumstances, there was another program which took a little time and which delayed my start from Shillong, for which I am really very sorry. I apologize for making all of you wait.
Dear viewers, let us now take a short break. Welcome back. We'll continue with the remaining news. The much-awaited Vocational Training Centre of the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary at Tirshi in West Giant Hills District was opened today. Speaking on the occasion, the Director, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, Government of Meghalaya, Dr. K.B. Sakhar, said there were times that the department wanted to wind up this project due to paucity of fund, but somehow this project has seen the light of day today. Speaking on the occasion, Meghalaya legislator Wailat Mikishalla said the people should come to the centre and be benefited from it.
Kandio mangat water supply gyong ile Muslim de yo igao inaugurate kamman katte the laigo the project the man go large khamat in nearly completion the Muslim de jan wat kata la yo igao pundep ka mother and child hospital gyong I ko em panalier ko tule ko sa tenya tu bon tiligi snem ko tule snya ko meno khanai phi wam slem de how new January ne ba dang de bia klam ga health department wongi boy ne ba kwa gi wa to ga 21st of January ko celebrate ye ga 50th anniversary of statehood ki yong I to da one prime minister em burom yong I to boy kwa gi a few projects ki inaugurate now prime minister ki yong I te nei te daw kwa gi wa to ka MCH ki yong I le man ko win ko project ko inaugurate ko prime minister ki yong I te em le chibun ki project ki mem kwa on nhau ne si ni pham to wan ye klam ye te hejing to on wo ni ka training center ki yong I kam ong ni kam da ne liang yong ka department ne liang yong I kam nginong mi khmat ne liang ka chnong da donate ko ye ni thau te em kam o man ku chim ko bu te sei vin le ngau kon tua mut ivi em hi snyao yam rem ho snyao no director yong in ni hawa em kam gite ki training program ki wa na ka sarkar wa duna ka participation na ka district yong.
The college authorities, teachers, students and staff of Kiang Nangba Government College organized a program on Wednesday to celebrate the Grade B accreditation given to the college by National Assessment and Accreditation Council (NAC). Education Minister Shri Lakman Rimboy attended the function as the chief guest. Deputy Commissioner, who is also the Chairman and Advisory Committee of the College, Shri Garrett LNS Dykes, Deputy Director Dr. B.D. Kaji and Deputy Director E.K. Maukyu of DHTE, Dr. S.R. Lindem, RUSA Consultant, were also present. It may be mentioned that the NAC team had visited Kiang Nangba Government College, Jowai, on the 15 and 16 November 2021. The team consists of Ashutosh Ghosh, Chairman, Professor Mohammed Arif, Member Coordinator, and Dr. Ajay Bhamare, Member. The grading has been awarded based on the findings by the NAC team who had visited the college for first cycle inspection and assessment. Speaking at the function, Shri Lakman Rumboy congratulated the entire college for their hard work and for being the first government to be accredited by NAC. He said the accreditation will inspire the other government colleges to excel and do better. He added that the accreditation will also add significant value to the college and this will imbibe a positive reception in the teachers and the students to maintain the standard of the college and to work with the same spirit in the forthcoming years. Principal of the college, Dr. E.M. Bla, in her welcome address, expressed her appreciation and thanked the Education Minister for the tremendous effort extended throughout the process. Srimati Bla chaired the program as well as proposed the vote of thanks.
It is duty bound on itself to see that is what is needed to do its duty. Different departments have their own duty to fulfill its obligation. Kiang Nangba College, the name may be one, but we have different departments. We have to treat different departments as different college. Then only we could succeed in the days to come. If we leave all the responsibility to the principal, if we leave all the responsibility to the IQAC coordinator, it will be very, very difficult. Because this is just the beginning. Every year, you have to submit your annual quality assessment exam. So until and unless different departments treat themselves.
For the first time, Meghalaya Basketball Association will organize a senior nationals known as North-East Zonal Basketball Championship for men and women from the 16th to the 19th of December 2021. The championship will be held at the basketball ground of St. Anthony's High Secondary School in Shillong. 6 northeastern states of Assam, Mizoram, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura and Meghalaya are taking part in this championship.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming on such short notice. On behalf of the Meghalaya Basketball Association, Thank you all. I'm Andrew Sitting. I'm the CEO of the Meghalaya Basketball Association. The press conference has been called to formally announce that we'll be hosting the first inaugural edition of the Men's and Women's Senior National Northeast Zonal Championship, Basketball Championship. This is the first time it's been hosted in the Northeastern region, and this is a new format that the Basketball Federation of India has introduced from this year onwards to try and promote the sport of basketball in all the various zones. The championship will start from the 16th of December, which is next week, and it'll end on the 19th of December. We will be hosting 6 states from across the Northeast. We'll be landing on the 15th evening. And for any other questions, I'll take it forward to Donna, who's the General Secretary of the Basketball Association.
We can brief kandidat ketika new format baka Basketball Federation of India ka introduce kanika format kalong ba mencual ada kidon ki nationals kamot naga state team ni sepa be shaka tuga jaka ba kalong ka national dia mentai kanika senior level kila divide ki zones kamot borok wi kari India ngi don real zones dia ka north east zones ka deka wi ni kita ki zones pakidon kini ki Hindu states ki bala long ki affiliated members jongka Basketball Federation of India kanika format long kanyarap yaki ini kin kamta mi kan not yaki player na po north east region bakin yo kataka chance ban compete ka higher level namar ngi ladang ile chepo ka national ngim pat po ya kataka level A ngi hab ya ka level B kapun ngim yo ban le ka po ka indoor court do most of the time ye le ka shaki outdoor court thì mình ta có một cái team của job này có với cái team sân răng này cần thấy có một cái qualify ya kata senior national có một cái done total cut team.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.